Friction is a very important force in our lives. When friction is absent, we can slip on an icy surface, or a person going up a ladder does not feel safe. In other instances, friction is a hindrance, and we lubricate, for example, the pistons and cylinder in an engine so that they move freely. The students generally are aware that friction relates to the context of one body trying to move relative to another, where the two bodies are in contact. Now, one obvious factor that affects motion, and therefore the value of friction, is the degree of roughness or smoothness of the surfaces in contact. So with this metal block sitting on this plastic board, there's no friction acting presently because there's no attempt at motion of one relative to the other. But as I incline the plane slightly, then the reason the block has not yet moved is because friction has increased from 0 to a small value to prevent sliding. If I incline further, then eventually slipping will occur. So the degree of smoothness or roughness of the surfaces in contact is one key factor, and that's represented by the symbol mu in the formula. But what students often don't realize is the importance of the second component of the friction force, which is the normal reaction. So to illustrate this point, if I take this beam, which is uniform, and if I support it near its center, it will balance. So I have this little rubber band marking, roughly speaking, where the center is. Now, if I were to take my index finger of each hand as a support and position the beam across these two supports, but have my supports unequal distances from the center, then we can demonstrate the importance of the reaction force. So in this instance, my left finger is far away from the center and my right finger is close together. Now, if I want to move my fingers, both of them, close to the center, watch what happens. I'm making equal efforts with both hands to come to the center, but one hand is making progress while the other isn't, and it's only when they are equal from the center that both can move freely. And therein the normal reaction was different above each finger, and that's why it is an important consideration in calculating friction.